you're familiar with North Carolina, but they're known to have calabash shrimp. So here's my plate of shrimp because I'm in love with shrimp.
Your shrimp skin.
That is all the skins of shrimp that I've eaten. And they're good. They're really good. Spoon! And there's a spoon. He didn't eat any. So I ate all his helpings. What? Oh, yeah. And there's still this much left.
Broccoli.
Yeah, if you're watching this, Bronco, there you go.
Not crab.
That's all the. I don't know if I can count all that. There's some sauce.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the stuff right there. Yum yum yum.
I had a hot dog.
The last day of the day. Oh no, it's foggy now. Ah. Is it better? Not really. Try again. That's better. It's the last day. I'm going down to the beach, even though it's kind of a rainy day, which kind of hurts the awesomeness of it, but it's the last day. Went down to the beach once, then came back, and I'm going back down again to say goodbye, and it's actually starting to sprinkle a little bit, but it's the last day, and I'm sad about that. But we'll be home tomorrow at like midnight. Ooh, that was a weird flash. Yeah, we'll be home tomorrow like midnight or so. But that's what's going on. It sucks. It sucks so bad. But that's all I can say, I guess. See you at the beach. Okay, I'm here. I just didn't want you to have to just the wood while I'm walking across it all. It's got some rough waves out there. And we didn't have our umbrella up there. I was taking the umbrella down. But jump. Wonder why. Justin's on the surfboard. He rented the surfboard for the day yesterday. So he has to take it back like sometime today. I don't know. And well, yep. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to all. It's even gloomy for us. Boo. I'm gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. Say goodbye. The awesome vlogs. But be back next year with because it'll be the most awesome vlogs 2.0, whatever you want to call it. Here's the fam right there. The last of them. The Madre who started us coming here. Back to the house to start dinner. So yeah. That's all I gotta say. So thank you. Here the way it goes. One. Stop so 5 feet area. Luggage area. Grandpa, the brother, the grandmother, and the mother's house.